Hello, welcome to Apollo Task 2 on using direct and inverse proportion. These Apollo tasks are aimed at the higher end of GCSE, looking at grade 8 and grade 9 level work. So they do go to the top of the GCSE difficulty and a little bit beyond. The idea of this is we can walk through the strategies to have a go at this question. Pause at any stage if you want to have a go. There was a similar task which I'm going to show you, which you can certainly have a go at. So let's start off. So we've got x, y and z are linked by proportional relationships. Y is inversely proportional to the square root of x and z is proportional to the cube of y. Write a formula for y in terms of x using a as the unknown constant of proportionality. So what we'll do is we can write y equals a over the square root of x. So it's over the square root of x because it's inversely proportional, and a is our constant of proportionality. Write a formula for z in terms of y using b as the unknown constant of proportionality. So what does z equal? Well, z is going to equal b times y cubed. Proportional, it's directly proportional to the cube of y. Now we're going to eliminate y. So we say z equals b times y cubed. Well, what is y? It's a over the square root of x. Well, that can give us z equals ba cubed over the square root of x. You can write it like that. Square root of x cubed. Now, we've got a little bit of information. Given that when x is 9 and z is 16, let's find k in the form a to the pb. Well, let's see what we can do here. We're going to use our formula there. So z, what's z? Z is 16. So I've got 16 equals b a cubed over, and we've got x is 9, so the square root of 9 is 3 cubed, 27. So I've done my substitution bit. I've just got to write k, which is 16 times 27, 432, I believe, yeah, 432. Equal, yeah, that's right, a cubed to the b. There you go. Okay, well, let's have a look. We know a is 3 times the value of b. So I can write a equals 3b. So I can use that to substitute in and find them. So 432 equals 3b cubed times b. Or 432 equals 27 b to the power 4. Okay, well, we're divided by 27, so we're back to where we were with 16. 16 equals b to the power 4. B's got to equal 2. Well, we're just, in this case, it's positive. I've not specified that, but it is positive. And a equals 6, because a is 3 lots of b. So let's look at this last one. We're going to complete the table. So in terms of proportionality, we can link the x and y and z values. If we know one, we can find the others. Let's put our formula we're going to use. Y equals 6 over root x, because let's look back. A is 6. What is z? Z equals 2 lots of y cubed. There you go. Just using the fact that z is b lots of y cubed, and we found b to be 2. So we couldn't use these. So x is 9, square root of 9 is 3, 6 over 3 is 2. Let's have a look at this. So, well, 1y is 1. What must x have been? Well, 6 over the square root of x is 1, so square root of x must be 6. X has got to be 36. Try it out. Square root of 36 is 6. 6 over 6 is 1. That works. Y cubed, 1 cubed times 2. That is 2. Let's look at the last one. 54. Z is 54, which is 2y cubed. 27 equals y cubed. So y must be 3. We know y is 3. Well, 3 equals 6 over root x. Root x is 2. X must equal 4. So just got our completed table. So let's have a look what we've done. We've started off with showing our formula in terms of a constant, which we don't know yet. So a over root x, so it's inversely proportional to the square root. Y is inversely proportional to the square root of x. Z is proportional directly to y cubed. We've combined them here to get a formula, a kind of formula in terms of x for z. Here we've found k. What is k in terms of those? Interesting little task there. That can be used here as well, by the way, to find this value. So it's 432. So z would equal 432 over the square root of x cubed. And we did find a and b in this case. We found a and b exactly, and here we use those formulae to find missing values in the table. Well, hopefully that's clear enough. Here is a little worksheet for you to have a go at. I'll see if I can get the whole thing in. I'm in a bit of trouble there. Maybe not. See if you can take a screenshot of those questions. And then we finish off with a table. We finish off there with a table. So what I suggest you do, here, I'll just try to focus in on that. I can't quite get that as I'd like. So pause, have a go at that, and I'm going to then give you the answers. Well, here we go with the answers. Have a look. I'll just put them out there for you. So we've got there a times the cube root of x. Z equals b over y squared. There we go. In this case we've got z equals b over a squared cube root of x squared. We do go through the same steps here. 16 is b over a squared. We get a is a half, b is 4, and then you've got your table to fill in. Okay, well, I hope that was clear. I hope it was enjoyable and interesting. We've looked at proportional relationships right at the top end and a little bit beyond of GCSE. Thank you very much.